Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my hard mode out without breaking it, because I know a lot of you guys struggle with it. So you're going to need a spatula, your bowl, and then your white chocolate, and then obviously your hard mode. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so I like to use 3 of those cubes. The chocolate I get is from H-E-B, by the way. It's like ambrosia or something like that. I like that chocolate. So yeah, you want to put it in the microwave, and then if you still see clumps in it, just stir it. And if it doesn't like melt by itself, then put it in a little bit longer. But you don't want to put it in there for too long, because then you're gonna burn the chocolate. So yeah, just stir it, and then if you see that it's not melting good, then put it in the microwave some more. Alright, so I've seen a lot of people struggle with this mode, which is why I'm making this video. So yeah, I've seen people even cut it so it can be a little easier, but guys, you don't really have to cut it. Just try this method out, and then if it works for you, then great. So yeah, you just want to take your chocolate and then pour it all into the bowl. I like to pour it in there. Some people like to like smooth it out with the spoon on the side, but I don't know, I like to do this, pour it in there and then like move it around, because I find it easier kind of. So when you're moving it around, you want to make sure it makes like a lip over the heart, because you want to make sure that the sides are really like coated. So yeah, you want to like go over the heart mold like that, like I'm doing there. I don't know if you guys see how it like makes a lip over. So yeah, you just want to do that all around.
Children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball.
Alright, so this top of the heart, I take my spatula and then I move the chocolate with it. I find that to be the easiest thing to do. So yeah, I just do that, and I just move it with the spatula and make sure you coat it really well. And then once you're done coating it, you want to pour all the extra chocolate out back into the bowl. And then you want to put the heart in the refrigerator. I don't know why, like I just prefer in the refrigerator than the freezer. Like I know the freezer hardens a lot faster, but ever since I started putting it in the refrigerator, it just like, I don't know, it works better. So try the refrigerator, and then yeah. So yeah, you just want to make sure you pour out the chocolate and then put it in the refrigerator. I left mine in the refrigerator for like 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah. Oh yeah, bang it so you can get the air bubbles out. Alright, so here comes a little trick. Once you have it in the refrigerator, before you add a second layer, you want to add a second layer to the sides. So what I do is I take my spatula and I dip it a little bit in the chocolate, and then I like scrape it on the side. So I do that all around the heart, so I can kind of make a second layer for the sides, so it can be really thick. Because when you put it like in the freezer or refrigerator, the chocolate from the side kind of like goes down, and then the sides end up being really thin, which is where it breaks. So yeah, you just want to do this so that the sides can have an extra layer and it won't break. Whoa, I know. So yeah, do that all around.
Open up, open up, open, open.
Alright, so also right there where I'm pointing is where you're gonna add a little bit more chocolate, because that's where it also thins out a lot and it tends to break right there for me. So I always add some more chocolate like down that part. Alright guys, so I just realized I didn't record me doing a second layer on the whole heart. So yeah, after you do that, you just want to do a whole layer, and then you can start scraping it. So what I do is I take my scraper and then I scrape off all the excess chocolate like around the top, just so it can be really like pretty.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
Alright, so when you're done scraping, as you can see, the sides are just so smooth and pretty. I don't know, to be honest. I don't even know if you have to do that, but I like to do it. So yeah, then you just want to take your finger and start peeling it. Start peeling it from the whole sides. Um, you don't want to do that flipping the whole heart inside out, because I feel like when I did that, it would always break. So yeah, so now that I do this, I like peel it away, and I try to get air underneath the heart so it can be a lot easier for it to come out. So that's what I find easiest. Alright guys, so I added the volume to the last clip so you guys can hear what it sounds like whenever you let the air in. It's gonna sound like weird, but like it's okay. Also, I forgot to say, whenever you do the second layer, make sure your chocolate is not hot. So like if you touch it and it burns you, do not put it in there. You want it to be like tempered. I forgot what the word is, but yeah, you just want it to be like not too hot, but not, of course, cold. So yeah, look how it looks. Like, it looks so clean and nice. Try it out. If you guys try it out and it works for you, please comment down below. Hey guys, I'm also gonna show you how I do my marble strawberries. So I like to take some colored chocolate and then like striping it onto the white. Like, just make a bunch of lines, and you want to make sure the lines are thick, because if they're thin, like the ones I was doing here, the chocolate, like whenever you marble it, it's gonna come out weird. Like you're gonna see right now, it's gonna be like too light.
Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up.
Alright, so here I actually cut a bigger hole so I can make the lines bigger, which will help it like be a prettier marble. Yeah, you're gonna see right now.
Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in.
Alright, so here I'm gonna take that Lux Cake gold luster dust I got on Amazon. I'm gonna try to link everything I use down below. So yeah, you just want to pour some in a little cup, and then you want to take some vodka. It doesn't have to be vodka, it can be lemon. I think it's lemon extract. I don't know, it just has to be like, alcohol has to be the #1 ingredient so it can evaporate. So yeah, you want to take the alcohol and then you want to pour it in there. Don't pour too much because that's gonna be too liquidy. Yeah, you want to pour it a little bit, and then you want to mix it with a little paintbrush. Look how pretty that looks. It looks like freaking like melted gold. I love it. Alright, so here I'm taking a small detail brush. It's actually a nail brush set, but whatever. So yeah, you want to take your gold and you want to draw against the lines, so it can be like a pretty gold marbly. So yeah, just go against the lines.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends.
Alright, so now we're gonna package it all up. I like to use Wilton boxes from Walmart. I think this is a 12 by 12 by 6. My favorites are like a 10.3 by something. I don't know, it's weird, but they don't have those in stock, so I usually go with this ones because they're always in stock. So yeah, it's a 12 by 12 by 6, I'm pretty sure. I always line the bottom with tissue paper just because I think it's prettier. And then I take some crinkle paper and I pour some on the top row and then the bottom row, like that.
Trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate.
Alright, so next I take my strawberries. I put them inside cupcake liners. It's okay, I use either the mini or the large ones. In this case, I just use the large ones. You just want to line them however you want to.
Let your emotion water fall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to breathe.
I didn't record this part, but underneath the heart I ended up putting some candies as well, and then on the heart itself I ended up taking a fan brush and then dipping it in the gold paint and then just doing like little fan brush effects all over the heart. Alright, since I always have leftover chocolate, I always put them inside molds that I have. So in this case I did some roses and I did some chocolate bars, and then I always add them around the box as little extras just because I think it looks cute. And I don't know if you guys saw, I added them at it as well. So yeah, so this is the end of the video. Please guys, comment down below if the little tip worked for you, and also like the video and share with your friends. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.